Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gonna learn about 100 examples for simple sentences or declarative sentences. I like pizza. I like pizza. The flowers bloom in spring. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. I wear a hat in the summer. They run every morning. She cooks delicious meals. We play tennis on weekends. We play tennis on weekends. They ride bicycles to work. He reads books for fun. We listen to music before bed. The cat sleeps all day. The cat sleeps all day. He fixes computers. The car is blue. The car is blue. The rain falls softly. The rain falls softly. I drink coffee in the morning. The book is interesting.